So now what's really going to make the eye pop would be your mascara. And for those that don't know how to put lashes on, don't worry. Use your mascara. And I like to use the tip of the mascara to really load on that mascara so you can let your lashes really be defined. Look at that. And by the way, you can wear this cut crease anywhere at work. It's not exaggerated, okay? And I'm gonna go underneath here, just add a little bit. In fact, I'm gonna add a liner underneath so you can really see the drama. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the brow pen because the brow pen is not so black, and I'm gonna go ahead and line underneath. Look at that. It doesn't come off the whole day, so it's gonna be great. Okay, before it dries, I'm gonna blend, which gives it an illusion of a bit of a smoky eye, right? So it's not so black that it's gonna take away from the eye itself. I'm gonna make sure I close this. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara, and what I'm doing is using the end of my brush, and I'm just gonna go in and brush over my bottom lashes. And then really what's gonna make everything stand out would be cleaning underneath the eyes and putting on concealer. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wipe under my eyes. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some concealer. And you'll be able to really see this beautiful eyeshadow. So again, this is a simple cut crease that you can do at home. Tap, 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 tap. How beautiful is that? How simple was that? How simple was that? So if you want to add lashes, you can, but again, the whole purpose of this cut crease is to make the eye look bigger, to give you an illusion of a lid, to take away from that fold, that swellingness of the eye that you can see right here. Look how flat it is right there, and you are done. I hope this helps. Please give me your feedback. I love it. I'm excited. And tell me what you want to see more of.